Alright, family. Assalamu alaikum. Ham's Loft is the hawk. There's the birds flying above the hawk. Here you go. Here's the birds flying over top of it. It ain't going nowhere. Got a couple of vultures right there. They got a hawk Cooper sitting right underneath. They'll stay up in the air for at least maybe an hour. Try to get the Cooper in the view. Yeah, that's the Cooper, Mr. Cooper. I know it's a Mr. because it's a small one. And the birds flying above them. All right, y'all. That's what I'm dealing with. Everybody's out of the coop. Just, oh, he's going through the, that's a Cooper, so I ain't got to worry about him catching one in midair. Definitely, he can catch one, but he ain't going to be able to hold it. I think he's just going to fly away. He's still gliding. Here you go, coming in. Oh, yep. Ah! Here you go. In the tree. Hey! Hey! He tried to catch one. Help! He's still in the tree. Let me get him out of there. Okay, he's out of the tree. He chased one down, but it flew away. That's the bird right there. See if I can get him back to the. We'll see if he comes at a tree. I seen him go off that way, but I didn't see if he was in the tree. They're gonna probably fly right in. Let's go, let's go. See how many up there. All right, that's a little flying for today. I think they're gonna probably go in. They all shaky Jake. Yeah, I see y'all puffing. He gone now. I got, thought I had two up there. It's the last one. They right there. All right, y'all. Comment, subscribe. Do what you do. Still sitting on about 50 birds. Oh, let me rephrase that. I think it's 40 something. All right. Comment, subscribe. Do what you do. Peace. Shout out to all the flyers. This was supposed to be the first day of racing, but we got the hurricane that came in, so ain't nothing going on this week. I'll post the schedule. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace.